Hello everyone, my name is Vishwas. So today we will do activity. So today is a Friday. So Friday is the day of
Activity day!
So are you ready, guys?
Yes, sir!
So we will not waste the time. So let's start.
My name is Anshdas. My hobby is to play with puzzles and my goal is to become a businessman. Today is creative day, so I am going to sing a song. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the good God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, He made their glowing colors, He made their tiny wings. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the good God made them all. He gave us eyes to see them and lips that we might tell how great is God Almighty, who had made all things well, all things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the good God made them all.
Hey guys, my name is vishwas. I live in Baslipur, Bengali colony, and today is activity day. And today I sing a song Pasuri. अगलावा मजबूरी नु आने बाने दी पसूरी नु जहर बे है तेरा पी जावा में पूरी नु रावाज बवाज ओनूर का कोई मैनू ना रोके मेरे डोर जुदाइयां वे तन खबर कि मैं होवे आए जाए दिल तेरा तू ना भी ना रोके. Thank you.
Guys, my name is Lucky Das and I live in Bastipur, Bengali colony. My hobby playing football. My goal to become a big businessman. Today is activity day, so I am singing a song. God's love. God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can get over it. So deep, you can get over.
My name is Raj Roy. My father name is Mr. Bedkar Roy. Today my activity day. Today sing the song. Song. तेरी नजर ने क्या कर दिया मुझसे ही मुझको जुदा कर दिया रहता हूँ तेरे पास कहीं तुझ पे मेरा एहसास नहीं दिल कहता है कसम से तुमसे थोड़ा थोड़ा प्यार हुआ तुमसे थोड़ा थोड़ा प्यार हुआ तुमसे ज़्यादा भी होगा तुमसे